All right, let's look how we write in UltraScript. Of course, the most important part. So as you can see here, UltraScript handles all of the text formatting for you. There's a drop-down list that has all of the most important writing modes for writing a screenplay: scene heading, action, character, dialogue, things like that. All right. You can use these, but of course, using the keyboard shortcuts is going to be much more useful to you. Now, each writing mode, is automated. So, for example, if you're in scene heading mode and you press I, it's going to autofill as interior. Okay. And then if you press the name of, or start typing the name of a location, if that location has already been previously input, like home, it's going to bring up a drop down that's going to show you the possible options. So you can just click on that. Then when you click, press the type a dash, then the time of day is going to come up. When you select that, it's going to automatically put you into action mode. And then if you're done writing your action, you can just hit return, and that will put you into character mode. All right. And again, if you type in the name of a character, it will bring up a drop down. If it sees that it's a character, potentially a character name that already exists, then you can just select that and it will autofill. And when you're in either dialogue mode, it will just swap back and forth between dialogue and character so that you can easily write a conversation. All right. If you want to go back into action mode, then you would hold down Shift and return, and that will put you back into action mode. Okay. And some other modes that are common is if you wanted to do a transition. So, for example, if they're doing this and you want to say a fade out or cut to, hold down Command or Control and return, and that will bring up a drop-down list of all of the common transitions. So, fade out, for example. And then when you press Enter from here, it's going to put you back into scene heading mode, because when you do a transition, you're commonly going to just go into a new scene heading. All right. So let's, for example, type exterior, go to the warehouse at night. And then it will put you back in action mode. Now, if we wanted to, for example, put some titles over this, we can go into the titles over mode by using the drop down or by pressing Command, Shift, and return. And then you can either type in the letter T for titles over or S for super. So T, it will automatically put in titles over. And then you can just write okay. And then when you press return after that, you go back in action mode. All right, so that's some of the tools for helping you write. Once you get used to these keyboard shortcuts, and again, you can find these again from the help drop-down list, shows you all those keyboard shortcuts. Once you get used to this, you can write incredibly quickly and very efficiently, which is the whole point of this software.